Today topic of lecture elasticity of demand. What is elasticity? Elasticity is a change for a demand. Demand elasticity means change of demand or increase or decrease. It is a elasticity. Meaning of elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is the measure of the change in the amount demand of the goods in response to given change in price of the goods or price of some related goods or change in consumer income. It is called a elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is the change in the amount demand of the goods in response to a given change in price of the goods or price of some related goods or change in consumer income. It is called a elasticity of demand. Measurements of elasticity demand. Elasticity demand, you calculated different types as follows. First one is perfectly elastic demand. Perfectly inelastic demand. Relatively elastic demand. Relatively inelastic demand. Unity elastic demand. These all are measurements of elasticity. Some products also change of price more than change the demand. Some products also less than change the price. Some product also change the demand equal change in price. Some products also no change. That all are measurements of elasticity. First one is perfectly elastic demand. In this type of elasticity, change of demand continually or increase or decrease. Price is constant. In this type of elasticity, only change the demand. Price is constant. This type of products also no change the price. That is a perfectly elastic demand. For the example, necessary goods, compulsory needs. That this also example, some seasonal goods, seasonal products. This type of goods also, that season also more demand. Price is constant, no change. Cool drinks or summer season, cool items. that price is constant. Demand also changing. Unseason also price is constant. Demand is decrease. That type of goods are example. Seasonal businesses. In this type of velocity, price is constant, demand is change, increase or decrease. Next one is perfectly inelastic demand. In this type of velocity, only change the price. Demand is constant, no change. Price also increase or decrease. Demand is constant. Some type of products compulsory need. That product price also increase. That demand is constant. For the example, salt. Salt is compulsory need. That price increase or decrease. The demand is same. No change constantly. That is type of goods also perfectly inelastic demand. Next one is relatively elastic demand. In this type of elasticity, change of demand in more than change in price. This type of elasticity, change of demand more than change in price. It is a relatively elastic demand. Any change of product price increase or decrease. That affect also demand more proportionately. Change of price. For the example, comfortable items. That items are, for the example, TVs, refrigerators, bikes, furniture, etc. That price also increase. That demand also more change, no purchase. The type of goods also price increase. Demand also more decrease. That price also decrease. The type of product demand are increase more. You prefer the cost of low time, purchase the more persons. That is a relatively elastic demand. In this type of elasticity, change of demand more than change in price. Next, relatively inelastic demand. Relatively inelastic demand. In this elasticity, change of demand less than change in price. Less than change in price. In this type of demand, price also more change, demand also small change, price increase or decrease, demand also less than proportion of the price. It is a relatively inelastic demand. Next, unity elastic demand. In this type of elasticity, change of demand equal change in price. In this type of products, same proportionately. Demand all, price also equal to change, increase or decrease. It is a unity elastic demand. These all are measurements of elasticity. First one is perfectly elastic demand. Second one, perfectly inelastic demand. Third one, relatively elastic demand. Fourth one, relatively inelastic demand. Last one, unity elastic demand. These all are measurements of elastic demand. Next, types of demand elasticity. Demand elasticity also different categories. That as follows. First one is price elasticity of demand. Next one, income elasticity of demand. Next one, cross elasticity of demand. Next one, advertising elasticity of demand. These all are types of demand elasticity. First one is price elasticity of demand. Demand elasticity means change of demand or product price or consumer income or other products, substitute products, price that affect, influence change of that product's demand. It is called a demand elasticity. That all demand elasticity also divided different categories. First one is price elasticity of demand. In this elasticity, known change of price product that affect, that influence change of that product demand. It is called a price elasticity of demand. Any product price increase or decrease, that change, influence, affect their product demand. It is called a price elastic demand. It is known the formula. Price elastic demand, EP, is equal to proportionate change in quantity demand by proportionate change in price. It is pro forma calculation of price elastic demand. Price elastic demand is equal to proportionate change in quantity demand by proportionate change in price. Next one is income elasticity of demand. Income means consumer income. any change or increase or decrease that influence, that affect change of product demand. It is called a income elasticity demand. Any user or buyer, consumer income also change. That affect also some product demands. Consumer income also increase. That time also consumer purchasing power also increase. You purchase the more quantity. That effect also change of some product demand. Same time consumer income also decrease. That time consumer purchasing power decrease, not purchase the more quantity. That effect also their product demand is decrease. It is a income elasticity of demand. Change of consumer income that influence affect change of some product demand. It is called a income elasticity of demand. That calculation formula use. Income elasticity demand is equal proportionate change in quantity demand by proportionate change in income. Income elasticity demand is equal proportionate change in quantity by proportionate change in income. Next one is cross elastic demand. It is the in this elasticity note any substitute goods price is changed that affect them, that influence other substitute goods change in demand. It is called a cross elasticity of demand. Any substitute product change of price that influence, that affect same other substitute product demand. It is called a cross elasticity of demand. That purpose is the formula cross elastic demand is equal proportionate change in quantity demand product A by proportionate change in price of product B. This cross elastic demand is equal proportionate change in quantity demand product A, proportionate change in price of product B. Next, last one is advertising elastic of demand. This elastic demand known any product, any goods that use of the advertising purpose, spend the amount that affect influence change of that product demand. It is called a advertising elasticity of demand. More spend the advertisement expenditure. That effect also change of more demand of product. It is called a advertising elasticity of demand. Formula for calculation. Advertising elastic demand is equal to proportionate change in quantity demand by proportionate change in advertisement cost. It is a formula calculation of advertising elasticity. Advertising elasticity is equal proportionate change in quantity demand by proportionate change in advertisement cost. These all are of demand elasticity. First one is price elasticity of demand. Second one is income elasticity of demand. Third one is cross elasticity of demand. Last one, advertising elasticity of demand. Next, significance or importance of elasticity demand. Elasticity demand is also key role, main role, different fields in the society. More important. That all are as follows. Useful to businessmen. Useful to the government and finance minister. Useful to international trade. Useful for planning. Useful to consumer. Usefulness. Useful to trade unions. These all are significance of elasticity demand. Importance of elasticity demand. Use of elastic demand. First one is useful to businessmen. This is main use of the business persons or product. Any change of price that affect change of demand is known the elastic demand. That based the decided the our product price. More change in the demand. Our price. Less change in the demand in less change in price. No change in the our product demand. That based the decided the our product price. You get the more profits. Next one is useful to the government and finance minister. More use every year. State government, central government, finance minister, you submit the budget. That time also some goods, some items, price also, taxes, rate, some changes. That time also consider the what is products also any change price no affect the demand. The type of products or items you increase the tax. That more effect of the any product change of tax. That affect also that products demand also decrease, sales also decrease, income also decrease. You get the losses also. Finally, you close the businesses. That affect also public. That employs so many that connected people, so employees, so business people, so others, all are lost. So that decide the taxes or change of tax or increase or decrease that affect how much that business, that company based the decided the elastic demand. That base you decided the taxes. It is use of the financial minister, state or central government. Next one is useful international trade. What is international trade? Outside business, outside countries. That purpose also compulsory required currency outside countries. That currency rate also decided, or that import and the export tax decided how much increase the taxes, the type of import goods or exports goods, what effect the tax, the demand, the rates, more tax you collect, that price also more price also not purchase the more quantity. That effect also loss of the international traders, international business peoples. So you all are considered any increase or decrease exchange tax, central government decided the elasticity of demand. Useful for planning. This based the any change of price or increase or decrease, that affect also our product to demand. That based the prepare a planning or human resources, so additional product, missions and equipments, any further development. You take the measures based the elasticity demand. Next one is useful to consumer. Consumer also use to select the what type of category also prices change. That knowledge also use purchase the you benefit more quantity of the or products or income. Last one is useful to trade unions. Elastic demand also use trade unions, big companies or government companies public sector businesses. That employees employees unions. The unions also you bargain, demand, increase the salaries. Any change of price or product increase. That affect also no change of demand. That you get the more profits. That based the you bargain, asked management. You increase the salaries or allowances, provide the facilities, use of the elastic demand, trade unions also. These all are significance of elasticity of demand. Useful to businessmen, useful to the government and finance minister, useful to international trade, useful for planning, useful to consumer, useful to trade unions. Today topic is over. Thank you.